Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, what up? Today I'm doing a different type of video for you guys. I'm going to be doing a what's in my bag video, and I haven't done one of these in a minute, but I feel like today will be the perfect time to do one of these videos because I have a new handbag that I'm really excited to show you guys. This handbag was actually sent to me by the brand Teddy Blake. Let's give that a moment to sink in. This bag that I'm going to be showing you guys today was sent to me by the brand Teddy Blake, which I'm pretty sure you guys have heard of. They are a luxury handbag company, but they are a little bit more affordable than other luxury brands out there. So they decided to kind of sponsor today's video and send me a bag to talk to you guys about and make a video on, and I am super duper excited. The bag I picked out, I feel is going to be perfect for fall. It actually inspired this red lip. So let's get into talking about some specs, talking about the bag, talking about the company, and then I'm going to show you guys. I'm actually going to kind of do this in like reverse order. I'm going to show you guys everything that I'm going to be putting in the bag. So not only are you guys going to see everything that can fit in the bag, but you also are going to see like things that I actually put inside of my bag that I take around with me when I'm going out in public. So if you guys are ready to see all of that, then just keep on watching. So when your bag is shipped to you, it actually comes in this really nice box, and this is what you can actually keep it in as well. So it just says Teddy Blake, New York, and then when you open it right here, it comes in this little dust cover, which that really does give me luxury vibes. Like whenever a bag comes with a dust cover, it just makes me think that the bag is luxurious, the company is luxurious. You know, you get to put your bag up in a little dust bag and keep it from the elements and things like that. So I just think that's a really nice touch. And then on the inside of the box, it says Teddy Blake, New York, designer handbags made in Italy, luxury leather. Each Teddy Blake handbag has been made with you in mind to be an extension of your unique style and flatter your every fashion choice. And I definitely believe that because they have so many options online. It's ridiculous. You literally can find a bag for every season, every mood, every style, all of that. So it comes in this little duster that says Teddy Blake, New York. And this is the bag that I chose. Like I said, it inspired this red lip, and I just think that this is a perfect color for fall. It's kind of a deeper red color, but it's still bright enough to make a statement. And I love medium-sized bags like this. To me, this is medium-sized just because I feel like it can fit all of my essentials, but it's not super big where I'm gonna throw everything but my kitchen sink in there, but it's not too small to where the only thing you can fit in there is like your keys and your lip gloss, okay? And I love that it's a top handle bag, but it also comes with a strap so you can wear it as a crossbody bag. I love medium-sized bags like this because you literally have a couple different ways that you can wear it. So you guys can take a look at the bag. This nice quality leather handbag. I haven't even taken the tag or anything off of it yet. Just so nice, super luxurious. And the way that you open the bag, you literally lift up these leather tabs right here with the gold accents, and then your bag opens like this. So here's that strap again, like I said, so you can wear it like a crossbody, and then the inside is more of like a velvet material, and you have two pockets on the inside, one with the zipper and then one that's like an actual open pocket, and it's pretty deep on the inside. It's a really nice size bag. So just mentioning a couple of things about the company, you guys. They are a luxury handbag company. They are made in Italy with a team of Italian designers who use the same materials, construction, attention to detail, and durability as other luxury companies. The only difference is that you're not paying for the actual label of the other company, so they're able to cut off so much money and give you an affordable luxury handbag without paying for the label and the name. They coexist in the same Italian factories as other luxury brands. So like I said, you're getting all of that same detailing and craftsmanship and everything that the other luxury companies give you, like everything from the zipper to the stitching to the bottom of the bag, the feet of the bag. Everything is pretty much designed in the same factories as other luxury companies. You're just not paying that luxury price tag. Also, like I mentioned earlier, the leather is real, so you know your bag is going to withstand the test of time, and it's going to keep its shape and everything, maintain its look and all of that. I will go ahead and link the website down below as well as the exact link to this bag if you guys are eyeing it. But if you go on their website and you go to their About Us section, it gives you a whole spiel on the company and where their products are made, what they're made with, and everything like that. There's so much information. So I just love the fact that this is a luxury handbag company, but for a really affordable price. They have super duper cute handbags on their website. So this is the Ava 9-inch gold bag. I believe they have it in silver accents as well, but I decided that I wanted to get the gold because y'all know I wear a lot of gold jewelry. So all of the accents on the actual bag will be silver if you choose to get that one. And I just love all of the accents. I really do. They say Teddy Blake up here at the top, and these are the actual placements where you can put the long strap on it. The Teddy Blake gold writing on the bottom, and then the actual feet of the bag are gold as well. So just everything about the bag, I really like all of the gold accents and everything. I really like the construction of the bag and the way that it's made. It's just a really nice bag overall. Let's get started putting things in it. I'm going to be taking along all of my essentials, trying to put all of my essentials in this bag so that I have everything with me when I'm ready to go out. So let's get started with the things that I will actually put into my bag when I'm going out. Okay, so I don't think I'm gonna go in like order of importance or anything like that, but I really just want to put everything in this bag that I'm going to need. So first things first, I guess I'm going to start with my little wallet. This has all of my cards in it, my ID, my driver's license, my credit card, debit cards, all of that. So I definitely need to have that in here. I want to put my house keys in here because I need my house keys. Okay, I like to have those on deck. Let's see, car keys for sure. My car keys go in my purse obviously when I'm not driving, and I do have this Bath and Body Works pocket bag holder on here. This is like the little pumpkin swirl hand sanitizer holder, and inside of it I have pumpkin apple. So this is what my keys look like. They're a little bulky, but they're not going to be in my purse like the entire time, so it's okay. I'm gonna put my pens in there. I love having my own pens because I just don't like touching public pens. And I have this really cute one. I might switch out one of these black ones for this really cute diamond top one. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm literally switching out all of these products like from one of my other bags. So these are things that I actually carry around with me. So I'm gonna switch out one of those pens for the pretty one. Let's see, definitely need my portable charger. This is something that I have been carrying around with me for a minute now. I definitely need to always have a portable charger on me because my phone goes dead like nobody's business. It stays dead. You can ask any of my friends, my phone is always dead. And I do have a plug already in the car, so I can just use that to attach to this and charge my phone up. So that's going to be in there for sure. Definitely gonna go ahead and put a mask in there because this is a necessity. So I'm gonna throw my mask in. Let's see. I have my tweezers and my eyelash glue. These are a necessity as well. I wear eyelashes pretty much every weekend when I go out, and sometimes they do start to lift if your eyes get watery because your eyes are irritated or anything like that. You definitely need your glue and your tweezers because I am not gonna rip my eyelashes off in public. So I need those. I need my glasses. I like to always have them on hand, especially when I'm driving at night. Those are a necessity as well. Let's see. So I'm gonna put my makeup products in here. I have my lip product that I'm currently wearing right now. So I do wanna take this with me just in case I wanna touch up. But if I don't want to put on the same lip product, maybe I wanna just hydrate my lips, put on a gloss or something like that, I do have a couple of options here for gloss. So I have my Too Faced Lip Injection Maximum Plump Lip Plumper. Y'all already know I love this stuff. I use it before I do my makeup. I also have the Too Faced Lip Injection Extreme Instant and Long-Term Lip Plumper in Bee Sting, which this one came out with their, I don't know, it was like their teddy bear collection or nude collection or whatnot. I have no idea, but I have that one as well. I have my Fenty Gloss Bomb in Hot Chocolate. Love this shade, been trying to wear it more. And then I have two of the Maybelline Lifter glosses. One is in Topaz, which is a dupe for the Fenty original Fenty Glow Gloss Bomb. And then I have the shade Opal, which is one of my favorites. Both of these have been used so much. They're literally like halfway. You can't really see, but they are like halfway used. So I'm gonna take all of those. I'm also gonna take this Live Glam Hey Sugar Lip Scrub in Meant to Be. This is just a convenient way to scrub your lips. Sometimes after wearing your lip color and talking and wearing a mask and doing all of that, your lips can get really dry and chapped and flaky. So before you wanna reapply your lip color or put on a new lip color, you might wanna scrub your lips a little bit. And so that's why I have this one with me too, because it's a little bit more convenient to carry this one around. And then I also have a long wear lip color remover, and this is from Milani. This is my second second one of these, I use up the first one because this is so good. This literally, you squeeze a little bit out on your finger and it's kind of like an oil consistency, and you just wipe it along your lips and it takes off the color. No matter if it's a liquid lipstick, a regular lipstick, a lip gloss, it just takes the color off of your lips so you can kind of start over with your lip color. So these are staples in my bag when I go anywhere. Let's see, I also have my Laneige lip sleeping balm. Sometimes if I'm out late and I really don't want to reapply my lip color, I will just apply this on my lips to keep them hydrated and feeling nice. I have some gum here. This is extra. I typically don't go for extra. I love Trident gum, but this is what I had to get. That's all I had, okay? I'm also going to include a hand cream. This is Strawberry Pound Cake from Bath & Body Works. I love Bath & Body Works hand creams. I love Strawberry Pound Cake. The scent, this is just absolutely amazing. And after washing your hands, if you don't want your hands to feel super duper dry, go ahead and use one of these hand creams and I promise your hands will not feel dry at all. I'm going to take some of my oil blotting sheets. These are the Winky Lux Matcha blotting sheets. I honestly haven't used blotting sheets in a really long time, but I like to have them just in case purposes if my face gets stupid dumb oily. Let's say it's like crazy humid outside, so I like to take those. I like to also take a face powder to blot my face if necessary. This is the Too Faced multi-use Born This Way complexion powder in butterscotch, and I do use this actually. This is a really nice powder and it is my complexion shade, so it's really nice to go ahead and touch up my makeup. Let's say it's gotten a little patchy or anything like that, it's really nice to use for that. So, and then it also has a mirror, really convenient, so I like to take that with me. Oh, a scent. Now depending on what perfume or scent that I'm wearing for the day, I literally do not have to reapply my scent, just for the simple fact that I make sure to apply my products and layer my products in a way where I don't have to reapply. But just in case I do, I can take like one of my little Scentbird atomizers depending on what scent I'm wearing. This one is the Pink Sugar Creamy Sunshine Eau de Toilette, so I can take this with me, just throw that in there, and I can use that to re-up on my scent if need be. But like I said, for the most part, I never need to re-up on my scent. I definitely need my AirPods. My AirPods are important. These are the AirPod Pros, and I got this little case from Amazon. Y'all know I love anything shiny, glittery. So yeah, I have my AirPods case that I'm gonna throw in there. And I think the very last thing that I'm going to put in my bag is probably gonna just be my dog tags. I like to carry these around with me even on the weekends, just because, you know, I'm a soldier. I need my dog tags. And I think that is it. Usually my phone will go in there as well, you guys, but I think majority of us keep our phones in our hands even when we're out and about, so I don't need to throw that in there. But I think that is everything. Everything literally fit inside of this bag. Like, look at that. Everything fit in here, and I'm gonna close it so that you guys can see that it closes. It's not bulky, it's not crazy looking. Everything fits in here. Literally stuffed it. Look at that, y'all. I am ready. I'm ready to go about my day, okay? I'm gonna even go ahead and hook up the straps so I can show you guys what it looks like. Oh, and that is really neat as well, you guys. So it comes with this little tab with a lock, and then your keys are inside of the little tab, so that's neat as well. I'm gonna hook all of this up to my bag, and then I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. All right, you guys, so I went ahead and put the little strap on, you guys. This looks so good. Like, oh my gosh, I am loving the way that this looks, and I feel like it really makes a nice statement. Don't you guys think as well? Like, the nice pop of red is just everything for me. It's literally everything. And like I said, I did go ahead and put the little tab on it with the lock and the key. It just makes it look that much more luxurious, because y'all know luxury handbags always be coming with like a little lock on it. I'm really impressed, you guys. I'm super impressed with everything about this bag. The construction, the color, the quality, the size of it, that it can fit everything, like literally everything that I need in here without being too bulky, too heavy, too full, or anything like that. So yeah, this is a really nice bag, and I can't thank Teddy Blake, the company, enough for sending this over to me to talk to you guys about. But genuinely, I really do enjoy this bag. So you guys go ahead and check out the company. Like I said, I will leave everything down in the description box so you guys can go and see what they have to offer and possibly get yourself a new luxury handbag for less. So if you guys like this video, you already know, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up and leave me a comment down below letting me know that you enjoyed it. If you're new, you should definitely go ahead and hit the subscribe button and join the Fragrance and Beauty Army, as well as that bell notification so that you can be notified every single time that I upload a video. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Peace.